Hey baby, since you've been away, I've been so lonely.
Yo,
cry all night.
Bourne song.
Why do I seem to be caught up inside our dreams all my life? It's always been my shadow.
Hey Rahjahrayy, pick up yourself. Just so you know what one.
But over my shoulder
lovers rock man. Feed them.
Always a voice somewhere saying I never should try to set my heart free.
Yo.
I wish that love would come and take me in her arms and show me what I've never known. If I could hold someone in words like right from wrong, just fade away like yesterday. Lonely, 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 alone.
Left me.
Lonely, 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 alone. Why tell me why? Lonely, lonely, lonely,
yo, you don't see it there?
Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything inside me says it's alright. So I'll play.
Easy weezy. That's what I'm telling you. Yo, you're with me if when you're young, them rhythms are run.
You've been with me right through
Think we were listening, we was taking, yo, we was listening. Yo, when time forward, rhythms have to run, most definitely. And Rahjahrayy, pioneer the pattern, so.
When you're wrapped up in my arms,
what we are doing?
Dancing to a reggae song.
How we feel
good, feel good.
So
I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud.
Easy,
Rod. I can talk about. Feel good, feel good. You feel like velvet rubbing over my skin. And when your hair dances on the chin, wish we were alone, baby, just the two of us. Yes, every move you make gives me a rush. Oh, oh. Wine some more, show me that love unconditionally. Make believe we're alone, just you and me. Take the problems, leave them behind. Don't let it show. Go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go, baby, go. I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song. Feel good, feel good. I feel good, cause your perfume isn't loud, that only I can talk about. Feel good, feel good.
Yo, from where vibes in, your vibes in. We can't big rhythms are run. Yo, remember what I'm telling you, yo. I wanna big up Chace Payper, big up Rahjahrayy, big up myself, Todz. You get me? Big up Weezy, cause him not easy. And you can't take bad girl for Sonny, big up Vonnie, so easy yourself. Alright, take time. So rhythms are run rhythms for fun. Rhythms are run, I said Batman run rhythms for fun.
I'm giving you all my heart.
Let me give you all of it.
There is someone who tore it up.
So now go and shake it when you can't take me. They give you all of it.
But if you want, I'll try to love again.
You see that first love?
Baby, you can't turn a key without love. Oh yeah, the first cut is the deepest. Oh yeah, the first cut is the deepest. But when it comes to being lucky people, when it comes to loving me people, but when it comes to being lucky people,
It won't be long, but it seems like forever. Yeah, and it's hard on my own, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now, and it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now. Yeah. In a way that
Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch. Oh, baby, the dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much. Now I can't help thinking over you, of all the lonely nights that you put me through.
You're mine, and we belong together. Yes, we belong together for eternity.
Trying to get your attention, call you at work, can't get your extension. Where is my gate pass to your heart, girl? Do I need to write security in order to get an entry? Or do I need to break the lock on your vault? But I'm a patient man, I understand. I wanna know, what is your plan? Must I wait, and for how long? Put an end to this frustration. See you and your friends, them flirting, trying to get me hurting. But don't you see my flex is so smart, girl? And as the world keeps turning, my love for you keeps on burning. Am I always in your thought? Cut me a key, give me a gate pass to your heart, yeah. Give me your number so we can make a start, yeah. Cut me a key, give me the gate pass to your heart, girl. Give me your number so we can make a start.
I stopped selling flowers to your apartment. You said you weren't around much anymore. Yeah, I stopped dropping by without an appointment, 'cause I heard laughter coming through your door. Sometimes late at night you'll still call me, before you close your eyes to sleep. Yeah, I made a vow that I would drop by sometimes, but that's a promise I can't keep, 'cause I love you too much to ever start liking you. Let's leave the story at an end. No, I love you too much to ever start liking you, so don't expect me to be your friend.
I feel a shiver, I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer, I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu, it's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake, come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine, this hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold, you got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy, and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arms. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes, yes, it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, the shiver, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's orders, I need And listen there. After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more, for more. Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice. But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, he's standing in my way. Standing in my way.
Only strangers in the night, getting to know each other. The mood was right, strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainer's singing a song, I hold a feeling oh so strong. Never thought love would look me in the eyes. I lift my head and what a big surprise. But there are people all around who try to take your love from me. No, they don't seem to realize this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I looked in your eyes, I knew love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. Now the ladies realize I am no longer solo, got you by my side. And this new love I will treasure. I'll be faithful and true till the day I die. And when people criticize, we will hold on to love, just be our guide. And if I had to do it over, it would have to be you, girl. No one else could do, no. I can't let you go. Oh, no, not over. I can't let you walk away. Now many men will try to tell you bad things about me. Oh baby, let them try. I know one day their lust will die, and there will be no cause or reason for you to doubt me. Cause what I feel is real. The love that I have is yours, signed and sealed. Now I'm building my whole wide world around you. But baby, here's my request from you. Baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. Please don't take my sweetness for weakness. No, baby, don't take my kindness for weakness. No, baby, cause our future depends on you, and no one else will do.
So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. No, I can't stop loving you. I wouldn't be so ungrateful to you. You've done so many things for me. You even made me strong when I was weak. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Oh no. So many people wanna see me stop loving you, girl. But I can't. No way I can't. Whoa. Hey, Julie, but don't be not alone. Julie, when your music I could walk. Well, them say Julie, me a go number song. Well, Julie, me a go nice to walk.
One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again with people from different nations. One of these fine days, we're gonna meet again. There won't be no denomination. One of these days, we're gonna meet again with people from different culture. I'm pressing on right now to the mark of the higher calling. There are obstacles in my way, but I won't worry cause the wicked has fallen, and the King of Kings is alive. I'm adhering to my master calling.
Though I see tribulation and strife, forever His praises I'm singing. One of these fine days we're gonna meet again. Mount Zion, the highest region. One of these days we will meet again. Get ready for repatriation. One of these fine days we will meet again in peace and harmony. One of these days we will meet again. One aim, one destiny.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love,
baby girl.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
Chano, you're my girl.
From the very first time I bless my eyes on you, girl, my heart says follow through. But I know now that I'm way down on your night.
She looks so fine,
but the way things feeling fine.
She a one of a kind.
So don't treat me like a puppet on a string.
Don't fool me,
cause I know I can do it.
Oh, well, I'm not in a position to maintain you the way that you're accustomed to. Can't take you out to fancy places like other fellas that I know can do. I'm only able to romance you and make you tingle with delight. Financially, I'm a pauper, but when it comes to loving, I'm alright. Alright, alright.
I know the scores, I know the roles. Baby, I know what's going on. I know the scores, I know the roles. Baby, I know what's going on.
She called my name from coast to coast, telling people how she needs me the most. Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that I'm her superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no, oh girl, don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no, yeah. Whenever I call you on the telephone, there's someone to say you're not at home. Girl, you always have an alibi. It seems to me you have another guy. Don't intend to climb your love ladder or get caught up in your rapture. You see, girl, oh girl, don't take me for no substitute lover. Oh no, oh girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. So now you have it, don't lose it. You must be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, don't bite the hands that feed you. Don't try to kill the goose and lay the golden egg. Girl, if you do it, it's got to be dread. You must be crazy. You think you could have walked out on me, baby? Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, wanty, whoa, can't get it, no way. Wanty, whoa, can't get it, no. You got to be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, no, you got to be crazy if you try to leave me. Whoa, whoa. You never miss the water till the well run dry, and all that you're doing, you're gonna cry. Oh baby, baby, tell me why you must be crazy if you try to leave me, baby. Whoa, whoa, you got to be crazy.
My love is stepping up, it's growing. This love inside of me, oh, and it's showing, shining so bright. It's growing. This love of mine Yes, it is showing. Just can't hide. So long we've been together. Can't keep you to myself. Got to share you with another. Got to share you with someone else. It's going. This love inside of me. Oh, and it's showing. Shining so bright. It's going. Now, yes, love of mine. Yes, it is showing. Just can't hide.
Some things were meant to be, so I don't let it be. And stop worrying about it. Long as we know what's in our hearts, we know we're in our thoughts. Hey, no reason for concern. We're gonna talk, we're gonna talk, we're gonna talk, we're gonna say a lot of things about us. Said you know that love is not a sin, but you worry what the people say when they see me with you, and wonder what the crowd will say when they find us together. Yes, wonder what the people say when they know we're in love. Wonder what the crowd will say.
You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. The saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the pain, the pain. The saddest day in my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was going insane. Yes, try to erase all memories.
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time gonna fly. And I never gotta tell you everything I gotta tell you, and I know I gotta give it a try. And I know the road to reach it, and I know the ways to fail. I know all the rules, and I know how to break, and then I only know the name of the game. But I don't know how to leave you, and I never let you fall. And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it. But after all is said and done, you're gonna be my only one. Oh, do you believe life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now. Do you believe life after love? I can feel something inside me say, really don't think it's strong enough now.
There's one thing I can't stand, is leaving you so early in the morning. This 9 to 5 I have is surely getting to me. Na, 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 na. For the third time this week, I think I'm gonna have to call in sick. If I leave you now, I'll be losing my mind. I hope we never get tired, and I never have to go to work. No one knocking on the door, disrespecting the no disturb silence. No baby crying, and no horn blowing. Just the whisper of a voice. Now look at me at 2:45. I wanna go home, that's where I should be. Don't know what to do or what I should say. Gotta make up my mind before night turns to day. Be early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I gonna enter? I can't afford to wake her with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. My double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home.
Cherry, oh baby, don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, what have you left for me to do? So long I've been waiting for you to come right in. And now that we are together, please make all my joys come over. Oh, oh, oh.
Baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Should I even listen? Should I even try? We'll just be hearing the same old lies. Oh yeah. Say it doesn't matter what you do to yourself, 'cause our whole relationship is built on one love. You say things are the way they seem, but still you won't come sleep with me. How do you say that you're in love when you don't know the meaning of love? Should have brought you home last night. You should have been with me, baby. Should have been right by my side, baby. Don't you care about me, baby? Do to me what you do me last night. Look for my love, it's not easy. Moving to love, it's a power love, and the two is straight, and lost eternal love. I'm going somewhere just to find my love. I'm going to a place where I can be happy. Tell me what they tell me. You should be sorry. Alright, you got to feel The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips were pale when I said hi. I knew right there you were the one. But I was caught up in physical attraction, but to my satisfaction, baby, you're more than